What's this, my love?
This is the flowers from Dia de Muertos.
The Day of the Dead. So,
Yeah. This usually we buy in and we bring to cemetery for the people like pass away.
yeah.
This is a
Is
special.
it for the lost souls or is that separate?
Well, no, this is not. What is? Maybe in the place we can find a cempasúchil.
And what's that?
This is this kind of flower.
Yes. That's the main Dia de Muertos flower.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice, yeah.
That one is
See. Yeah, well, that's interesting.
just like the people go into the cemetery to clean and fix like the places where the families are.
Oh.
This is good. No, this is tuna.
Yeah, that's tuna. It looks like
Like the people usually put
or
caña.
whatever it's called.
This
What is it?
Caña. This
Caña.
should take off like this.
Is it sugarcane?
Yeah.
Sugarcane. Oh, let's get one. I've always wanted to try sugarcane. Yeah, let's get
Usually
one.
put in banana.
Yeah.
This.
You just sort of bite on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, so we get grab that one then.
We're gonna buy
wait,
that one.
Are you the shop quantum question?
Yes.
100?
10 pesos.
10 pesos. Gracias. Yeah. Okay. About 50.
Y me da un plátano.
So what exactly do I do?
I will show you like this.
You'll have to show me. Yeah, so we'll try this now.
¿Tiene platanitos del pequeño?
No. What's that one? Ah, passion fruit. Ah, that's very cool. That's what Dia de Muertos, isn't it?
Gracias, señor.
Gracias, muchas gracias. You better show me how this is done then, my love.
Okay, so now we suppose you have to cut with the knife, but we don't have knife.
It's alright. That's why we got a tooth. Let's give it a go. Go back to our roots.
Yeah, I suppose you have to
Literally.
clean
Sugarcane. Alright.
like this.
Alright, I'll give that a go then. So, you sucked all the sugar from that, or should I go for that bit?
No, I think it's not too sweet.
No, it's definitely some nice sugar. Let's go.
You have to take off this.
Which bit? Or rip it down. Very sweet. Sweet centre. Yeah, it's very cool. I've always wanted to try that. It's got strong teeth for it though. My teeth are hurting. Yeah, it's nice. There you go. Something I didn't think I'd be doing today. Yeah, there you go. Bacalar, Mexico. Very cool. Adios, amigos.